Frying an egg might seem like a simple thing to do unless you've never done it before. We're going to start out with some high quality eggs. These are farm fresh eggs given to me by my good friends Bob and Steve. The better quality the egg, the better they're going to taste. You're going to need a non-stick skillet, some salt and pepper, some cooking oil, and a spatula. I prefer a hard plastic spatula because I feel like it's easier to get underneath the egg and flip it without breaking it. Next, we're going to add 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of oil to our non-stick skillet. We're going to want to place that on some medium-high heat. Now we need to just be patient and walk away. We need this cooking oil to heat up. I'll move it around the bottom of my pan so the entire pan is coated. Once you feel your oil is starting to heat up, we're ready to add our egg. Cracking it into the skillet without busting the yolk is the first critical move. Now we'll add a little bit of salt and some pepper. We're going to leave this egg alone until the outside edge has turned completely white and is no longer clear. No matter how well done you ultimately like your fried eggs, when you get to this point, we're ready to flip. You need to get under there and flip it quickly. This is the second crucial point in not busting that yolk. Now's the time to determine whether your egg is going to be over easy or maybe a little more well done. Obviously, the longer you cook it, the harder that center is going to become. I like my egg over easy, so I'm ready to go ahead and take this up. We want to get up under there nice and steady and pull this egg right out of the skillet. Bam, we are done. You can see I've got a nice runny middle in mine, which is the way I like it. I like to chop my egg up so that I can dip my toast in it. And we have got one absolutely gorgeous over easy egg.